Hi guys, I'm Nicola Abano from Build with Nick. We are here in Peregrine Estate in Piara Waters. We're gonna go through the episode 4 of Key Handover. So let's go to this house. Alright guys, the house is located in Peregrine Estate in Piara Waters. We have the Coburn Gateway, which is roughly 10 minutes away from here. You have the Coburn train station as well, going to Perth CBD. It is close to Perth Airport as well, which is roughly 20 minutes away across Roe Highway. And there is an upcoming primary and secondary school that will be beneficial for young family. The good thing about this estate is there's a lot of first home buyer around the area, so it is pretty much secure and safe, and there is a massive park across the estate. Alright guys, a bit information regarding the house. This house is a Denmark design. You can check it out in our website. The black configuration, it is a 10.5 by 24.5 meters. You have 10.5 frontage while 24.5 length. The land area is 325 square meters, while the lot area, including the alfresco, garage, and the house, is roughly 220 square meters. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and 2 garage, and you have a home theater as well. Alright, as we enter the house, we have the first bedroom, which is 3 by 4.5. It is quite spacious for a kid's room or a guest room. Right next to the first bedroom, you have the garage that has a 28-core ceiling that can fit 2 large cars or an SUV cars. Right next to the garage, we have the separate guest bathroom and a separate toilet that has a walk-in linen right next to it. Alright, we are in the walkway or the entrance of the house. One thing that I really like about this house is the natural, earthy, and neutral colors of the house. As you can see, he has chosen a good tiles, and I'm gonna show you a bit more regarding the what kind of cupboards color did he choose. But as you can see, we have a very spacious walkway, which is approximately 1.2 meters. Across the guest bathroom and the toilet and the garage, we have the home theater, which is very spacious. It is roughly 3.5 by 3.5. You can really put a massive TV or even a projector. Across the home theater, we have the bedroom number 2. The good thing about this bedroom number 2, it has its own walk-in closet. Right next to the bedroom number 2, we have the laundry. The laundry has its own walk-in closet as well, and it has a massive bench top. Alright guys, before we go to the main area and show you how big it is, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, and the most important thing, subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's go! Alright guys, here is our main area. We have the kitchen on to your left. We have the living area and the dining area. The dining area and living area, they are approximately 4.5 by 7.5. We have a gorgeous kitchen with an island bench top that has a dishwashing recess, sink as well. With the kitchen, we have a single pantry and the gas stove, of course, the range hood and the microwave. With this common area or main area, it has a 31-core ceiling, while the other bedrooms or the walkway as well, they have a 28-core ceiling. We are nearly finished with this episode 4 Key Handover. We have the master bedroom, which is roughly 3.9 by 3.7. The good thing about this master bedroom, it has a sliding door going to your backyard. You can have a chill time and a coffee session during morning before you go to work. The good thing about this master bedroom, again, is you have a massive sliding door. You have a 4 massive sliding door that you can put all of your stuff. With the ensuite toilet, bathroom, you have a double shower, of course, your toilet, and the sink with a vanity. Alright, but not the least, we have the backyard and alfresco. You have a good size amount of alfresco but you have a massive backyard. The backyard is roughly 35 square meters, so enough to host a medium gathering, or you can even put more plants or pots. And yeah, it's a good amount size of backyard. Alright guys, I hope you like this ski handover tour episode 4 here in Piara Waters. If you would love to visit one of these display homes, we have few display homes here in Western Australia. So feel free to message me below. You can message me through Instagram, Facebook, or to my direct email. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you smash that like button. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and comment below if you have any question. Alright guys, I will see you in the next episode. Take care and see you. Bye!